Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to do bot versus bot in chess.com. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to chess.com. Once you're here, select play on the left corner and then select computer. You cannot play bot versus bot, but there is only one solution which I am showing you. First, click play with computer in 2 tabs. Then create classroom in the 3rd tab. This one over here. On the 3rd tab, select Learn. Then select Classroom. In here, you'll read the moves of both the previous tabs over at chess.com, the moves used by the computer, and implement them in the 3rd one over here. In simple terms, all you have to do this time is to copy the moves of the computer on the different tabs. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.